Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Madhani Karaoke, back with another late video as usual. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me, and subscribe to join the family. Turn on your post notifications so that you get notified every time that I post. And for returning subscribers, asante sana sana, thank you so much for your love and for your support. I really do appreciate it. And I want to say this, I've never said this before. Once we hit the 500 subscribers mark, I'll be doing a giveaway, a very special giveaway that I have had in store for you guys. Like, ever since I started, I was like, I have to do a giveaway every time we hit 500. So when we get to 500 subscribers, there's a giveaway. So tell your grandma, your mother, your sister, everybody, tell them to subscribe. And as you can see by the title of today's video, I'll be doing I'll be doing a breakfast recipe that one of you guys requested actually on my Instagram. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, please follow me at Muthoni, MUTH_ONEE. Follow me. I do amazing recipes there. Gosh, I do amazing recipes there as well. So let's get into the video. Okay, so for the ingredients, we have 2 eggs. These are basically eggs, but they're different types of eggs. We have 2 medium potatoes. This is turmeric spice, some salt. This is a mixture of carrots and capsicum, which are finely chopped, and these are finely chopped onions. You're not restricted to the spices that I use, but I keep this breakfast to the bare minimum. I use just 1 spices, you guys can see, but you can play around with spices in your home, in your kitchen. You're not limited to any spice to use, but the ingredients need to be like this, yeah, according to what I use. So let's cook. And so for the first step, we'll start by peeling the potatoes. And now the potato is completely peeled. We're just going to cut. I first start by cutting half, and then I do mine lengthwise first, because now we want to cut them into cubes, very fine and thin cubes. Not really cubes, but as in finely chopped, very thin slices. Now that you can see our potatoes are chopped, very much chopped, they are finely chopped into thin slices. I'm just going to add them inside a bowl, any bowl of your choice. And now I'm going just to add cold water to just rinse them, or you can alternatively just wash them in through running water. It's still the same, which I'm going to do after this, just to make sure they're extra clean, because food safety is our #1 priority. Yeah. And so in a pan, I greased it with a little bit of oil and added some onions, the onions that we had chopped before. And now I let them saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Just keep on turning them continuously until they become a bit golden brown. After 2 to 3 minutes, our onions are a bit brownish, and now I'll add my diced potatoes and stir them for a bit until they are coated with the oil and the onions are mixed together. And now I am going to add a little bit of salt, just to taste, salt to your liking, and also add my turmeric, just to give it a little bit of color and a little bit of taste to it. separate bowl, I am just going to crack my eggs, both of them, and whisk them well until they are well combined. And after that, I'm just going to add my sauteed potatoes, and now adding my capsicum and my carrots, my chopped carrots, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt as well, and mixing them very well. And now on to the next step. I will grease my pan, and I'm using a different pan that I initially used because of course of the shape of the omelette. And now when the pan is hot, I just add my combination, my mixture of the eggs and the potatoes, and I'm going to carefully spread the potatoes on my pan to allow them to not sit on top of each other for easy cooking and distribution of heat as well. And wow, at this point my kitchen is smelling so good. And now I'm using two spatulas to turn it because of course the omelette is very heavy, and now I'm going to allow the other side to cook as well. After 2 to 3 minutes of allowing our omelette to cook, it is now ready to be served. And you guys, it looks so good. Like the color, the taste, the flavors are all coming out so well. And now I just use my cutter to just slice it into 4 pieces. And wow, you guys, just look at it. Oh my god, this turned out so good, guys. So good. Hey, and that's it for today's video, you guys. I enjoyed every bit of the video. I enjoyed showing you guys how to make the breakfast potato omelette, and you guys already know the drill. Before I go, we have to do a taste test, so let's go. Oh my god, oh my god, you guys, it's so good. Like, you guys should try it. So if you haven't tried it, this is a really simple breakfast recipe that that you can find ingredients everywhere and anywhere. It's really simple, as you guys have seen. So thank you so much for joining me today, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Turn on your post notifications so that you get notified every time that I post. Follow me on my social media handles. Link will be in my description. Watch my previous videos as well, and see you next time, guys.